Hello, good people of the interwebs. My name is Ray. You may know me as Patriot Ray USA, or you might know me by my dev account over on the X, Dies LLC. Heck, you might even know me from my former account on the X, Gamer Rady. I promised a few people I would make a quick video to show y'all what I've been working on. So let's get going. I'm going to first show you my development environment. Consists of XAMPP for the Apache web server and the MySQL database, which is actually MariaDB, the always open source version of MySQL, or MySQL, as some people call it. There is the MariaDB. I'm honestly probably the most comfortable in a database than the rest of the stuff. Database, HTML, no problems at all. Somewhat comfortable as far as procedural PHP goes, although they made some huge changes since the last time I used it, which was right at the beginning of PHP version number 4. They're up to PHP version 8 now. I'm still a little comfortable in it, but I could be more comfortable. I am learning, however, object-oriented PHP, which is supposedly more secure. I can't say that it is for sure because I don't know yet, but I hope that it is. This is Visual Studio Code. This is my coding environment. I know that it doesn't look like much. I have all my directories closed. There's classes, cascading style sheets, images, my includes folder, which is all of the included PHPs. This M right here is going to end up being the mobile version. What I'm going to do is take everything that is in these other folders, put it under the M folder. The only two scripts that are going to go into the website are going to be the site script and the index script. Okay. These others are just things that I figured out how to do with those. So those aren't going to be up on the website. But let's go to the actual website. And this is local. I have this actual page up on the Blurpy website right now, but the sign up and sign in do not work yet. I have not put the back end on there for it to work. Let me come over here and we're going to sign up a new account. Oops. Let's see, password. And you'll have to agree to the terms of service down here, okay? Terms of service, privacy policy, rules. We are going to have rules, guys. Site's got to have rules. But I can guarantee you that I'm never going to suspend you or ban you for spouting the truth. Now, if you call for an armed insurrection or something, then you'll get banned. Yep, you can't be doing that. Your privacy policy in a nutshell, I'm not here to data scrape any information from you in order to hit you with targeted advertising. Okay? I don't plan on taking any information from you whatsoever to provide to anybody else. All of your information is going to be strictly to be used by Blurpy or any one of my other websites that will all be tied up into the same databases. Okay? So let's sign up. and it went empty. So let's go check on the database, and let's see if we have, yep, we have a new user. So pull this back here, and we're going to go and sign up. So we've got 3 columns. I'm sure the layout looks pretty familiar. You got your links right here. They're actually buttons. I've got an announcement section. I've got a quote section. There's about 10 or 12 quotes in there. As you change sections, these will change as well. Okay? So your feed, your home feed, is going to be in the center, and you can scroll up and down. Nothing else moves, just like the way I wanted it. One of the CSS problems that I'm having, I think I may just not be giving it enough space, but the text area box to post your blurps, which is what we refer to them here, is small, and I can't make it bigger. So, like I said, I think I've just got it in a bad spot, and there's not enough room for it. Let me go ahead and blurp, and there it is. It goes all the way around, guys. I don't have an automatic update system in place yet. That's not going to happen until I have JavaScript implemented. I'm going to use JavaScript for the reblurping, the comments, the likes. I don't plan on having just a heart over on the X or Twitter. I want to have a reaction system so that we can really convey what we think about posts, especially if we have undesirables that show up there to try to cause problems and post stupid things, okay? One of my favorite emojis is the vomiting emoji. And if we have idiots that show up posting stupid stuff, they're going to be getting a lot of vomiting emojis from me, okay? These are in descending order, guys. It took me 3 days before I realized what I was doing wrong so that I could do these, the newest one on top and the oldest ones at the bottom, okay? Over here on the right, we're going to have a trending section. New user section is going to be the last 3 to 5 users that have signed up on the website. I plan on having a link as well to go down the list of people who have signed up in a descending order. The newest one will be on top. The oldest one will be at the bottom. Okay, that way, if you got 3/4 of the users followed, you're not gonna have to go through all of them before you get to the newest ones at the bottom. Current events, I'm gonna be perfectly honest, this is probably gonna be bare for quite some time while I work on the website. We'll have to see how it goes. Your newest followers will be listed down here, and a link to more of your latest followers will be down here as well. Your site tree right here at the bottom on the right. You have an account button right here to your left. This is going to be for some account settings, okay? Your settings is going to be for the website, how you want things to look, stuff like that. After everything's already done, then I can start actually setting this up to make it look exactly like you want, okay? As long as you provide me with all of the information that I need to do it, I'll set everything up to where I'll use a session variable. Every time you log in, that session variable will come out of the database, and it'll make your site look whatever colors you want. Conductors area is going to be for conductors who run trains. I'm going to get with them, hopefully implement some stuff that's going to make their running these trains a lot easier on them. Community, we're going to have to come up with a better name than that, but that'll be your community of people. You know, if you've got like a little group that you specifically want to keep track of, that's going to be what that is for. Messages, I don't know about this yet. We're going to see how that goes. DMs at X, Twitter is pretty much hated, so it's possible that this may never get implemented. Notifications will be implemented once we've got JavaScript in place to be able to send you notifications. Your account button down here, when you hover over it, it's going to open. There will be a logout button right there, but there's also a logout button all the way at the top right hand corner. You log out and you're right back to the sign in, sign up, the index. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, you can find me on X, Twitter, Patriot Ray D. You can leave comments here, you know, as long as you're being respectful. If you have any suggestions, those are welcome as well. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you over on the X.